So here in this video we will be discussing about the previous examples related to the previous exercise. Previous exercise I gave you a sum. Let's see how it is solved. Show that the cube of any number, any positive number, is of the form of 4m, 4m plus 1 or 4m plus 3. As we know the theorem, as per the theorem, let n be the positive number. So n can be written as 4 cube, 4 cube plus 1 and 4 cube plus 2, 4 cube plus 3. So if n is equals to 4 cube, n cube will be 64 cube. That means 4 into 16 cube. And if we take m is equals to 16, then it can be write as 4m. Same goes for n cube. 4 cube plus 1 n cube, we will get the same formula, and from that means cubing both side, on cubing both side it will give 64 cube 48 q square plus 12 q plus 1. That means if you take 4 commons from here to here, it will give you the it will give you the 4 16x square plus 12 q plus 3q. If you take this uh, this as m, so we can write it 4m plus 1. Same process for n is equals to 4 cube plus 2, cubing both side. Take m is equals to 16q cube 24q square 12q plus 2. Answer. Now let's move to the next slide. Here in next slide we will be finding the largest number that divides 2053 and 967 and leaves the remainder of 5 and 7. So in order to do that, first we will check the given number. Given numbers are 2053 and 967, and remainder they are leaving 5 7. So first we will subtract this 5 and 7 from both the numbers. So the new numbers are 2048 and 960. Here is a new approach of algorithm, Euclid's algorithm. What we will do, we will create one column like this, and in one column we will writing 960, and in another we are writing 2048. So once we are writing this, first 960 is obviously less than 2048, so we divide 2048 by 960. 2 times 1920 leaves remainder 128. Now 128 is less than 960, so we'll divide 960 by 128. 7 times leaves remainder 64. Now 64 is obviously less than 128, so 2 times you divide, so it will give remainder 0. So now last division is done by 64, so this 64 is the HCF of the number, and 64 is the required answer also. Similar example for the three numbers, that is 398, 436, 542. We'll do the same process. We will subtract the remainder, that is 7, 11 and 15. 398 minus 7, 9, 391. 436 minus 11, 425. 542 minus 15, 527. So in order to find the HCF of three numbers, what we will do, we will take two of the smallest number and find their HCF. That is, they have taken here 391 and 425. In order to find the HCF of 391 and 425, we will do the same process that I have done here, and we got the HCF of 17. Now we will find the HCF of 517 and 527. That you will find as your homework. HCF of 17 and 527. Whatever the HCF will come is your answer.